Removal. Remove the 6.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Remove the two 8.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Turn the notebook over and open the display. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the top cover from the base enclosure and lift the top cover until you have access to the battery connector on the system board. Remove the tape that covers the battery connector. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the top cover.